Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So it's at night right now. I've already finished washing the dishes and all that. What I want to do right now, I just want to prepare some delicious supper for myself. I've been running up and down in town today, doing deliveries and all of that, sourcing for materials. I'm super tired, I'm super exhausted, but I have to sew again after this. Woo! But anyways, I'm not complaining because I enjoy doing all that. So come along with me. I'm making some ugali. Then I'll also be making skuma wiki, that's kales. Alafu, then I'll also be making some fish. I bought some little fish in town from a passerby was just selling these little fish. I don't know if you can see them well. They're pretty tiny fishes. Are they called fishes? Yeah. These I'll just fry them because they've already been fried. Just something quick and easy. So that's what I'm going to be cooking. So I hope you enjoy this vlog. Come with me. I'm already at the kitchen. I'm already in the kitchen. Anyways, let's do this. I'll begin by making the vegetables. I'll just be removing the stalk one by one, washing, and then cutting them up. It's a lot for one person. I know they will last me up to tomorrow lunchtime, so that's something that I usually love to do. When I make my supper, I make a lot so that the remainder I'll just eat it the following day during lunchtime. So I wouldn't have to cook dinner. That's girl math, don't you think? So I'm done. Hii ndio mboga naenda kupika. Now that I'm done kutengeneza mboga, I'm going to start cooking. First nimekelea maji ya ugali ichemke, and while maji ya ugali inachemka, I'm going to start cooking the mboga. Naenda kuweka on this other side. Nimechoka. I'll start by cutting the onions. Then I'll let them brown. And yes, I'm just going to add my sauce, a little bit of sauce. I'm just eyeballing. At this point, I'm going to start multitasking. My water is already boiling, you can see it. So I'm going to start cooking the ugali. While also making sure to check on this other side, the tomatoes, because I want to finish cooking everything at once. now I'm going to start with the fish. I'll just warm it up a little bit. I'm going to use a little bit of oil, not so much. Just enough to get it warmed up. I think that's enough. My little fish, they're so tiny. But this is just perfect because I'm alone. So yeah, and as the oil is warming up, I'll also just check on my vegetables so that they don't stick and they don't also overcook. Oil is ready, so I'm going to put in the fish. I'm done cooking my supper. This is my ugali. I have my 2 fish over here. So I'm just going to take my sukuma wiki from, actually it's not sukuma wiki, it's spinach, and there's this other, I don't know how it's called in English. What's its name in Kiswahili? I don't even know, but I leave the name somewhere here. I'll go research, then leave the name. So I'm going to plate, then sit down and just eat and rest a little bit, then I'll start sewing. I have an order I have to deliver the order tomorrow, so I'll be sewing that after just relaxing a little while. What's the time right now? It's 8:47 actually, some minutes to 9 p.m. I'm super tired, but I have to do what I have to do because it's business, and I wanted it for myself, right? I'll see you. The vegetables are ready. I'll plate them in here. It has a little bit of water still. I don't want that water, that soup. So that's it for my food. How should I put it? This right here. This is what I'm going to be eating. I love the fish. They look so yummy. So my ugali. Then here I have the skuma and the fish.